Hey guys, come and pack Amy's order. Now Amy ordered a super cute snake pattern skinny leg pants, super cute, as well as our Meredith navy blue maxi dress, super flattering and super flowy. And then she also got our Samantha cherry red silky dress. Now this dress is just flipping stunning. Like I think that's the dress I'm gonna go with for Christmas. And now she also got our Patty Blue embroidered open throw, which is one size. I love that. I think we've only got one left. And also our Portia navy and white button up top. Super cute selection, babe. I loved everything, and I've just got you a free gift, your stickers, your thank you card, and your invoice in this little cute bag. Here I'm just trying to find what I was looking for, and I could not find it. Like the amount of times I'll put something somewhere and I'll be like, I'll remember you're there, and it's gone. Now I just had to quickly stamp some of our eco-friendly reusable drawstring bags because I was running out and I needed some for this order. So I figured I'd just do a couple. These bags are amazing. You can wash your clothing in them so they don't get tangled or destroyed by other clothing. You can store stuff in them. I have them all around my house. They're so handy. Just sorting them into sizes. Packaging Amy's order into her bag. I truly hope you loved everything, babe. Thank you so much for supporting my small business. Every order that comes in, it's amazing. I'm so appreciative, and I'm definitely going to try my best to make sure that my customers are happy. And here I am just putting it in a postal bag, which was not big enough, but hey, let's just work with what we've got. So I grabbed another one. Sticky part, and then also obviously the tape part. Now this is on its way, dear Amy. I truly hope you love your goodies that you just ordered. I cannot wait to see photos and videos. Please make sure you tag me. Have a good day, beautiful.